If you're planning to sell your home in New Jersey, be prepared to take advice from lots of families, friends, and even your neighbors. But getting the right advice by the right professionals is key. Hi, I'm Christine Mattis from the Mattis Law Group, and I want to go over the top 5 real estate myths that occur when people buy and sell property here in New Jersey. Myth number 1, you need 20% down to buy a home. Often people think that they need 20% down to buy their home, and that if they don't have it, they will be unable to purchase this real property. I'm here to tell you that there are other options. A lot of times we have first-time home buyers who do not have 20% saved. There are many programs such as FHA loans that only require you to put 3.5% down. Or you can ask a seller to negotiate or give you what they call a seller's concession. That, in a way, is a credit. And again, that's less money for you to bring to closing. Myth number 2, you should price your home at a higher price so that you can anticipate any negotiating tactics from the buyer. Oftentimes, sellers will place their home at a high price because they're thinking the buyer will come in and try to negotiate with them. Well, this could backfire. Many times, buyers do not want to pay anything over the appraised value. And by putting your property at a higher price, you are now saying no to a group of buyers who may have considered you if you had a more reasonable purchase price. Myth number 3, getting a pre-approval from your bank after you find your home. Getting a pre-approval is probably one of the most important documents you could obtain from your bank when you're in the process of buying your home. It's so important to get this document before you look for a home, because you are able then to look at the range of homes that you can afford and that your lender is already highlighting objects and things that you should have in place in order to get your loan. Getting a pre-approval only takes a couple of days, and I know that sounds short when I'm a buyer looking for a home, but if you don't have your ducks in order, you can lose out on another buyer who already has their pre-approval lined up and has already presented their offer to the seller. Myth number 4, selling your home without a real estate agent or an attorney. A lot of sellers think that they could save thousands of dollars by doing things on their own, selling on their own, and representing themselves on their own because they don't need a real estate agent or a lawyer. The truth is that these professionals bring so much value because they are able to negotiate terms of a contract, help you with the purchase price, and vet buyers, and so they don't waste your time as a seller. It's so easy to think that we can do this on our own, but really, these true professionals will help you save something even more: time. We don't want to waste your time, and they will get things done faster because they've done this day in and day out. Oftentimes, as a buyer, we are looking through hundreds or sometimes even more homes to find out what's the perfect match. When a home is staged, it really allows a buyer to picture themselves in your home in a neutral condition. Without staging, a lot of times buyers have a hard time picturing if this is the right home for them. Staging is so valuable. We highly recommend clients to make sure that's done before they list their home for sale. And there you have it, the top 5 myths of real estate when you're thinking of buying and selling a home. We know there are lots of questions that you may have. Our office is prepared to help you. So please click below, make an appointment, and we'd be happy to see what we could do to help you and your family with your real estate matter.